Hello everyone, my name is 𝐂𝐚𝐭𝐜𝐡 and welcome in GetDevelop platform. As you guys know, whenever any important updates and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on GetDevelop platform, so you guys are aware from each and every type of notifications and updates related to your career. So guys, if we talk about today's notifications, then Center for Development of Advanced Computing released their official recruitment for multiple positions like project manager, senior project engineer or project engineer. So here direct walk-in interview are there, and the date of walk-in interview is like for project manager is 9 January 2025, for project engineer testing 10 1 2025, and senior project engineer and project engineers Java full stack development 11 1 2025. So guys, the number of candidates they are going to select for project manager 10, project engineer 4, senior project engineer 15, and project engineer Java and full stack development 15. So guys, if we talk about the timing of registration, then 10 a.m. to 12 noon only the registration is going on, and after that after that they will conduct interview and they will finally shortlisted students. So guys, this is the contractual requirement. CDAC is frequently releasing their requirement based on project base, and here by working you will earn salary, and similarly you will also earn experience which you can utilize for different jobs in futures. So if we talk about guys, the application form is also attached here, so you need to take a printout of these applications and attach your latest passport size photographs, documents, experience, caste and any other certificates, and you need to reach their locations, and on that particular locations you need to go there and attend your interview. After that they will shortlisted you. So the interview is going to conduct in CDAC Center Noida. And if you talk about the project manager, then 10 vacancies are there, but the experience requirement is too high. Essential qualification is B.Tech with 60% only, but like here you need a high experience, so this is not relevant to many students. Here CTC will 17.5 to some lakh something. If we talk about the project engineer for opening, then only 1 year experience is required, so many students have eligibility, they can apply, because computer science students have eligibility of like 1 year experience, they will easily get through the placement, college placement, so they can work. 4 openings are available for them, and 7.86 lakh per annum is your like salary here. And similarly if we talk about the senior project manager, 15 vacancies, but experience requirement is 4 year. But for project engineer, 15 vacancies, the experience requirement is only 1 year, so those students who have eligibility they can apply. Your CTC is 7.86 lakh something, and maximum age limit is 45 year. So guys, there are many other details are also available here, so those students who want to apply they can download the applications form and directly reach to the interview locations and register yourself by submitting your documents and all. After that they will shortlisted you. Rest we will see you in another video with another update. Till then, goodbye, take care. You can join _PW Telegram channel for this PDF, where the application form is also attached in PDF. You can click on the PDF and download application form, fill your form and reach your interview location.